This is how we do a Nintendo Switch charging port installation. First we prep all the pads, and then we prep these little guys. Right now I'm putting a little bit of solder on these so that whenever we go to install this, the solder on these legs will attach to the pads that also have solder on them. This makes the connection simpler to achieve whenever you're using hot air. If you guys do need a Nintendo Switch charging port repair, you know where to go. Tech Bros. Give us a call at 336-566-8557 or visit our store location on Main Street in Wilkesboro at 111 West Main Street in Wilkesboro. We're to the right of the 50s Diner and right across from the stage where they do the concerts. We'll see y'all next time.